wanted to share with you guys about this amazingly beautiful chandelier that I just received. It's gold. It comes in two colors. I chose gold because it just goes a lot better with my decor, but it also comes in silver. These, I call them branches. So the branches were really easy to kind of put in on your own. They all come as separate pieces and packaged really, really well. They have these crystal balls on them, which just catch the light in a really, really fun way. Let's go check it out in my room. I've got it all put together and I'm ready to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I am so excited and so obsessed with the way that the chandelier just fits in my space. And the way that these crystals just catch the light is such a unique and modern piece for any room. I'm gonna use it personally for my reading nook in our bedroom, and I cannot wait just to have this and kind of show it off. It's such a beautiful, beautiful piece.